How to connect a domain on Hostinger. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you're someone that is looking to connect their pre-existing domain to Hostinger, you can do it in a few simple and easy steps. Today, I'm going to show you guys this demonstration using a GoDaddy domain. So if you're using any other domain portfolio, then your steps are pretty much going to be the same. So let's get started. First off, you're going to go into the platform where you have purchased your domain. So I have purchased my domain on GoDaddy. When you go into the GoDaddy domain or Namecheap domain, you're going to go into the domain settings on the left. And once you do that, you're going to click on your DNS. Once you click on DNS, you're going to click on name servers. Once you click on name servers, you're going to click on change name servers. Once you click on change name servers, you're going to wait and you're going to click on this option where you're going to add your own name servers. So from here, you're going to go back into Hostinger and then copy and paste your Hostinger name servers over here. Once completed within a couple of hours, your name server migration will be completed and your domain will be shifted to Hostinger. Now, if you want to check upon the progress of this particular change, you can go into whatsmydns.net and you can search for your domain progress. So if I search for midgemazel.store here, and I can just click on search and see where my propagation has reached. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.